Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Question number 2, part D is 5 over x plus 3 plus 3x over x plus 4 equals to 2. So, this is the rational equation. We need to convert into the quadratic and then we can apply the factorization method. So, to simplify the rational equation, we need to take LCM. LCM means first make the same denominators. So how we can make here the same denominators? We need to multiply the first fraction with x plus 4 and the second fraction with x plus 3. Then we can get same denominator. So now 5 into x plus 4 divided by x plus 3 into x plus 4. With second fraction, we will multiply x plus 3. So 3x into x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 into x plus 4 equals to 2. Now we will take LCM. So here x plus 3 into x plus 4 we will write once, then we bring down the numerators both same, 5 into x plus 4, then plus 3x into x plus 3, which is equals to 2. So now we have to expand the brackets. So the top one, 5x plus 20 and 3x, we will multiply with x, it becomes 3x squared, and 3 times 3 is 9x. Same as it is, we will multiply the denominators. So here x plus 3 and x plus 4. X we will first multiply with the rest of two values with x and 4. Then we will multiply 3 with x and 4. So now x times x would be x squared. Then x times 4 becomes 4x plus 3x, and plus 3 times 4 is 12 equals to 2. Now we need to simplify the common terms. Common means the same terms are like terms. So 5x and 9x both are common. We can simplify. So 4x and 3x both are common. We can simplify. So 3x squared will comes first, and then 5x plus 9x, it becomes 14x plus 20 divided by x squared plus 7x plus 12, which equals to 2. So here now we need to shift the denominator on the other side of equal, means the whole value. So all of the terms will multiply with the 2 here. It becomes 3x squared plus 14x plus 20 equals to 2x squared, and 7 times 2 would be 14x plus 12 times 2 is 24. Now further we need to simplify. We need to arrange the like terms together. So we will shift all these values here on the side of equal here. So 3x squared plus 14x plus 20 minus 2x squared, then minus 14x, and minus 24 equals to 0. All of them have the positive sign. So now when you will shift on the other side, the sign always change. Positive change into negative, negative change into positive. So here 3x squared minus 2x squared, it becomes x squared. 14x and minus 14x would be 0, and 20 minus 24 would be minus 4 equal to 0. Then we will shift the constant value on the other side, it becomes plus 4. Now we need to find the value of the x. So we need to remove the square. To remove the square, always we need to take the root on the both sides. So here it becomes the plus minus root. Now square and the root will cancel out with each other. So what is left? X equals to plus minus. Now the root of the 4 is 2. So plus 2 and minus 2 are the roots of our equation, and x, the answer of the x is plus minus 2. Part E is 3 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x into x plus 1 equals to 2. Again we have rational equation, so first we need to simplify it for quadratic equation. So the denominator we have x plus 1 and x plus 1. Only one thing is missing here, which is x. So it means that we just need to multiply with first fraction x. So 3x divided by x plus 1. X into x plus 1. And then plus 1 over x into x plus 1 will remain same. X plus 1 equals to 2. Now we will take LCM. So x into x plus 1 is LCM. The numerators we will just bring down. 3x plus 1 equals to 2. So here we will expand the brackets. 3x plus 1 divided by x squared plus x equals to 2. Then we will shift these x square plus x on the other side of equal, so both we will multiply with the 2. 3x plus 1 equals to 2x squared plus 2x. Now again we will rearrange the terms to make a quadratic equation. So 2x squared plus 2x will remain same plus 2x. We need to shift these two values on the other side, so it becomes minus 3x and minus 1 equal to 0. Now 2x we will bring down. 2x square. So 2x minus 3x, both are the like terms, so we can simplify. 2 minus 3, it becomes minus x, and minus 1 equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Now we will apply factorization method here. So for the factorization, we need to first multiply the coefficient of x square with the constant value. So 2 times 1. So we got the factors 2 and 1. 2 times 1 is 2, and it has only two factors, 2 and 1. 2 minus 1 becomes 1, which is middle term. There is no coefficient, it will be 1. So bring down the first and the last value same. 2x squared, then minus 1 equals to 0. So here it would be minus 2x and then plus x, because minus plus makes minus, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we will take the common. 2x is common there, and x minus 1 is left. In the rest of two terms, only plus 1 is common, so x minus 1 is left equal to 0. Again we are going to take x minus 1 common, so 2x plus 1 is left equal to 0. Then we will write both separately. X minus 1 equals to 0. Same, the 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Now x would be equals to plus 1. So here we need to shift the plus 1 on the other side of equal. It becomes minus 1. Now here we will shift the coefficient on the other side of equal, so it would be minus 1 over 2 because the coefficient will always multiply with the uh, variable. So when we move on the other side of equal, it will divide. So hence we got the two values of the x is equals to minus 1 over 2 and 1.